Kirby bag starting to smell? Then this is a video for you. But don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a vintage Kirby bag. Now, whether you've got the Heritage 2, the Legend 2, then these are probably the top Kirbys that you can clean that outer bag and get it smelling fresh. Now, a lot of people fear taking them off and struggling to get them back on. Stick around the end because I've got an easy fix to get it back on. Let's just show you how to remove it, get it washed, and then refit it. So let's dive straight into it. Right, so today we're going to be using the Legend 2. Just make sure you've got a little bit of a cloth or old newspaper just to catch any debris. So first I'm going to remove the mini empty out. These can be a little bit stiff depending on how long they've been on there. Some, if you bought an older Kirby, it will have been on there for years and might not have never been removed to be cleaned. In that case, just spray a little silicone spray in there just to try, leave that overnight, and then it should release. But because this has been removed, cleaned, and it's never left in that condition, it comes off pretty easy. So you're just going to grab it underneath and just give that a twist and then pull it off. And with that mini empty out, just give it a bit of a tap, get any debris that might be in there. Obviously these Kirbys are pretty clean, so there's nothing in there, but you will get some debris, whatever's been sucked up into that mini empty out and obviously in the tube. Now just open your Kirby bag and you just remove your dust bag. Your dust bag might be quite full at this time if it's starting to smell as well, so it is worth changing that for a new one. To take these off, it's just a slight twist and a pull, and off it comes. Now to remove the top of the Kirby bag, just push your thumb under there, push up, and out it comes. Now you can do this on the floor. If you're doing it on the floor, obviously on your carpet, just keep that little dust sheet or piece of paper towel there, just to catch any debris that might be in that hose, because we're gonna remove the hose, and just double check your hose as well. So if you wanna double check your hose, what you can do, just disconnect that hose from the top, like so. On the bottom of the Kirby, you're just gonna remove that rubber seal. With the bag, just peel the bag off and do it over a paper towel. So you just want to get your 3 fingers underneath there, and then you're just going to pull, lift, and off that comes. Then remove your hose, pull it out gently. Again, watch for any debris. Now I've got a light on this at the moment, but if we turn the light off, what you want to do is get a torch and you're just going to shine that in that hose, and we're just going to spin that hose looking for any light that might be bleeding through from the torch. Now you can do this from both ends. You can do it from the mini emptier end, or you can do it from the top end. Just check there's no light leaking. If there is, these are susceptible to little pinholes where people have sucked up safety pins, anything like that, and they may have put a hole in here. Or any bits we can see on here at the moment, it's just the reflection from the light above. But you can see if there was any holes in there, you'd have light bleeding through and just little dots, so you'd know they were leaking. Now with those, you can either put a bit of tape over them, or you can put some hot glue over them just to seal them, or better still, there will be a link down below to a new hose if you need to replace one. Now with your hose, all you want to do is give that a bit of shake out. Make sure that's fully clean, no dirt in there. You can wash this out as well. So if you want, you can wash this out in the laundry sink with some hot soapy water and just swoosh some through just to keep that clean. Make sure it's totally dry before you put it back in your bag. And then what we'll do is put some silicone spray around there just to lubricate that, so it's easy to attach and to remove from the Kirby. Onto your bag, you're just going to remove that rubber strip off the bottom. Top end of the Kirby, you just want to slide that bag all the way to the middle so it comes out, and then slide that off. Now you can launder these and leave them open if you want. I tend to zip mine up and just launder it as so. Just place your Kirby bag in the washing machine. Because you're only washing the Kirby bag on its own, just a slight little bit of detergent, that's plenty. Turn your washer on. On my washer, I've got a couple of settings. I've got delicate, sports wash, or quick wash. I'm just going to use the quick wash. That's a 30-minute wash, and then just press play. So that's been 30 minutes, so let's get the Kirby bag out. Right, so our Kirby bag's been on the line drying overnight, so it's totally dry. Make sure it's totally dry. These are thicker bags than the new Kirby ones, so they will take a little bit longer to dry. You can put it in a dryer if you like, but obviously you want it on a low heat so you don't damage any of the material or shrink the bag. Let's get the bag reinstalled on that nice clean hose. Now with your Kirby bag, what a lot of people tend to do is they'll connect the hose, like so. Connect the hose, and then it's an absolute nightmare to get this on there. Well, there is an easy solution. Just pop that in the other way, like so. Feed that over. All right, and then we're just going to work our way around and just pull it up onto that first notch. Make sure that it's lined up in the middle. How easy was that? Connect your hose. Zip her up. Now with the rubber bit, let's get the rubber bit, feed it over there. And just feed that back on the bottom of your Kirby bag. Top, make sure your hook's to the front. So you're just going to hook that gap there, over there. Slide that up, push that part in, drop that down. That should feed itself. And then slide back the opposite way. Then reinstall your Kirby bag. Rehook your bag. To the bottom of the Kirby, don't forget to put some silicone spray around there. Then you're just going to line these up like so, and twist. And last but not least, don't forget to reinstall a new Kirby HEPA filter bag. And don't forget everything using the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So those of you with a Heritage 2 or a Legend 2, I hope you found that tutorial really simple to follow. And as you see, it's really easy to launder that bag. No more struggling getting that Kirby bag fitted back on that Kirby. It fits with ease and it literally takes seconds. Now, for those of you struggling to service your Kirby Generation or Avalir, check out this video next. And for those of you looking at using the shampoo system on those dining room chairs, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you in the next one.